Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar, SANTY-P with the song called MAMÁ. So, very easy to play this song, guys. So, if you want to learn this, stay tuned. We're gonna look at the chords and we're going clean here, so no need for any capo. 3 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. The first chord will be F major 7, so that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. Then we have the next chord based upon the G, but the only thing we need to hold here is actually 3rd on the E string. Everything else down there is open. Okay, so 3rd on E and open strings. And then the final chord is based upon the C major 7, but the only thing here you need to hold here will be 3rd on A, and everything else is open. So very easy. F major, this grip, G, this grip, and C, just move 1 string down, this grip. All right, so you're gonna play this for F major. So you play the 3rd fret D string, and then you hit the 2nd G, 1st B, and open E together. And the pause there. Then you go to the next chord, the G. You hit the 3rd fret E string first, and then you're gonna play the open G, open B, and open E together. So like this. Pause there, and then you do the same when you play the next and final chord, the C. So you play first the 3rd fret A string, and then you answer with the open G, open B, and open E. And you do that for 2 times. So 1 round will be like this. You can add more to it if you wish, and it's played like that later in the song. So it's played perhaps like this. So the thing we do here is that we're gonna add this 3 strings that we picked together another time. So 1 round of F major will be like this. So you play the same there as you play the thing we learned here. So 3rd fret on D string, then 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. 1 time, you wait a little bit, and then again. So 2 times on that picking, and then you do the same here for G. And then you do the same for C, but for 2 rounds. So and that's pretty much what's going on for SANTY-P's MAMÁ. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.